From the number of people who have been reaching out to me for Viewpoints withdrawal guidance, I observed that a lot are making mistakes with their withdrawals, and honestly, I can understand why. Most of the videos out there do not clearly explain how the withdrawal process actually works from start to finish. And because of that, some people end up either choosing the wrong redemption option, getting confused during the process, or even losing access to their rewards entirely. Considering the fact that this app takes consistency and time to build up points, it really wouldn't make sense to do all the work and end up making mistake at the point of cash out. Because a lot of you have been making requests and pleading that I make a video showing you how to withdraw from Viewpoints, I have decided to make one for you. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the withdrawal process step by step based on my experience. I'm going to show you how I did it. I'm going to show you what to do, what to avoid, and the important things you need to know before redeeming your reward. So make sure to watch this video carefully to the end, no skipping at all. And if at all this video helped you solve your withdrawal problems, do well to leave a like on this video and a comment saying thank you. You can also share this video to your friends and family, because I see a lot of you referring them to me, so share this video to them, okay? It's going to help them as well. Now let's get into it. So first off, the minimum withdrawal amount on Meta Viewpoints is $3, and once you've been able to accumulate a total of 1,000 points, the option to see your reward will become available. Immediately you see that option, click on it and proceed to redeem your reward. Now after redeeming, the reward is usually sent to your email through Tremendous, which is the platform Viewpoint uses for withdrawals and reward redemption. But this is exactly where a lot of people make mistakes. After redeeming the reward to their emails, some people choose the wrong option, while others get confused halfway through the process. Now, don't worry. Even if you've experienced that already, I spent time testing the process myself and I discovered a safer way to go about it, which I'll be showing you in this video so you can avoid unnecessary mistakes. Now, after redeeming the reward to your email, the next step is to finally claim or use the reward. To do that, open the email you received from Tremendous and click on the redeem button. It's going to redirect you to another page where you will click redeem once again to see the available payout options for your region. Now this is where things differ depending on your country. For some countries like the United States or the United Kingdom, you may see options like PayPal or gift cards available for redemption. But in other countries like Nigeria, for example, you might only see options like a virtual Visa card. Now, before you rush to redeem, like many of you already have, you need to understand something important. If you choose the Visa virtual card option now, the card is actually mainly meant for online purchases, and as you can see it here, it is even written before you proceed to activate the card, just so you see what this card can be used for. It cannot be redeemed as cash. In other words, it's designed for shopping on platforms that accept virtual cards, like online stores, let's say Temu for example, and other digital payments. And this is actually the option many people have been using because it's the one commonly available in their region. But I also noticed that a lot of you would prefer receiving it as, Ego or Owo cash instead. Now, based on what I tested, one possible option is redeeming your reward through available gift card options and then exchanging them through trusted means available to you. Another option, if accessible to you personally, is using a trusted friend or family member in a supported region who already has access to services like PayPal to assist with your reward redemption. So it is very important that you understand the option you are selecting before confirming your withdrawal, so you don't accidentally redeem your rewards into something you didn't intend to use. And if you still have questions about the withdrawal process based on your own region or available options to you, feel free to ask in the comments and I'll try to guide you based on my experience testing it. Now, for those of you who already redeemed your rewards as a Visa virtual card, you don't have to panic. Your reward is not wasted. You can still use the card to shop online. If you don't already have a specific online store in mind, you can try one of the platforms I personally tried the card on, which is Temu, and it worked for online shopping since the platform accepts virtual Visa cards as one of its payment methods. So you can try it out, use the card to get something useful for yourself instead of just leaving it unused. And based on my testing, some items also came with free delivery or shipping offers depending on the offers available and your location. Now, before I show you how you can withdraw using PayPal, let me quickly clear one particular misconception that a lot of you have about your rewards expiration date. So from the many messages I got from people asking me to provide guidance on how to redeem their rewards after getting to this stage, I see a lot panicking over the expiration date of their rewards. And this is because they actually didn't look at the date carefully. Their focus were on the month and day alone. But from my testing and from many of the screenshots you all have been sharing with me, the rewards expiration here shows 2027, not 2026. So don't panic for nothing. We are still in 2026. Abina, don't leave me go future. That's why it's important that you always read something new and important closely and don't rush to avoid these kinds of confusion. Now, those of you in regions where PayPal is available and you would prefer redeeming your reward directly into your PayPal account, this is how you can do it. At the top of the page, you see your selected region. From there, choose the PayPal International option if it's available for your country. Then carefully enter the PayPal email address linked to that particular region. For example, a United Kingdom PayPal account, okay, for your UK redemption options. Now, after that, confirm the email and just proceed with the redemption. Once the process is successful, your reward should be sent to your PayPal account. You usually receive a notification or confirmation email once it arrives. And that's basically how to withdraw your earnings or rewards from the Meta Viewpoints app. I really hope this video helped clear some confusion and saved you from making mistakes during withdrawal. And honestly, if you learned something new from this video, go ahead and like the video now. It really helps support my channel. Okay, and you can also check out my other videos on this app, okay, while you wait for my next app testing video, because I still have more platforms I'm currently testing now, so don't miss it. Okay, and if you enjoy this kind of honest walkthrough and real testing content, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss my future updates. This is Smart Hustles with Jessica, and I'll be more than happy to see you in my next video.